What's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you. So, we're waiting on parts. So that's why you're getting this video today. Actually, well, let me show you the parts we got for the truck that came very late yesterday. And obviously, as you saw at the very beginning, it's disgusting out, snowing and rain on and off. So we can't install it today because the truck doesn't fit in the garage. So we got a brake upgrade for the truck. This is a power stop kit. It's Z36 or something like that. This is front and rear, pads and rotors, slotted, drilled, whatever. I guess that's not really necessary. I mean, the pads really do the most work, but yeah, we'll get to that. So that's one order of business. Second order of business, this cat better not piss in this garage. Hold on. So that's the first order of business. Second order of business slash update or whatever is working on ordering the new turn signal bulbs. I know I asked in an earlier video about this car and the whole turn signal situation. Been slacking, but I'm gonna order them right after I finish making this video. I kind of did a little investigation work. I took out the LED turn signal out of the passenger side. Then when I turn on the blinker, only the driver's side blinks. So I'm not sure if that's foreshadowing that it's going to work by ordering the new bulbs, but got high hopes for that one. Now I should really be getting a whole rundown of what bushings I want to change on this car, but I've been kind of slacking on that. I mean, I can see the tie rods right here look completely horrible. I'm sure looks like the sway bar was sitting next to the Titanic in the ocean, but that's for another video. So the other update I wanted to speak about on this video was my idea with this. So, got a lot of feedback in the comments on the YouTube videos. A lot of people liked option A, which was using these fenders, lowering it so it actually fits a little bit better and I don't have to cut as much fender out. But we're gonna go with option B because option B, well, first of all, like I keep saying, this is my wife's car, so it's really her call at the end. When I sent her the picture of option A from the garage, she was really hyped on that, and then when I sent her option B, which is this with this guy over here, she really liked that. So so the plan for this is we're gonna do option B, which is using this piece and that piece. So let me just explain my idea a little bit, then we'll close this out. So this is the front piece that we're gonna wind up cutting down, trimming down a lot. Obviously there's tape on it right now, but like I was saying, we're going to try to bring this down, maybe just catch the bottom of the bumper, so we'll bring this arch down here, so we'll wind up cutting a little section of this out. No big deal. We got this hole to patch up over here that we drilled to mount the fender flare. No big deal, because we just got to... There's a lot of stuff that needs to get fixed on here anyway. It's obviously going to have to get painted and stuff like that. There's a little bit of rust here that maybe we'll try to fix. But the thinking with this, instead of sanding this down completely, I got two ideas. Tell me which one you think will work better. So this is foam for your house, I guess. This is what we have it from doing random house projects. But piece of foam. I don't know if this is going to work, but cut a little section out because obviously we have a lot to play with here. Cut a little section out, roughly a rectangle-ish shape, or roughly the shape that it has to be here, and then just start sanding it and trying to shape that. Hopefully we could get that perfect, and then we could just lay fiberglass on top of that. I'm not sure if when we get it down too far, if it's just gonna start falling apart. So that's something we're gonna play with. Then the other idea I had was probably put a bunch of tape on here, like painter's tape or whatever, and then get the spray foam stuff that I was talking about on one of the other videos, spray it so it attaches to that, and then just shape it directly on the car, which I'm kind of liking that idea now that I thought of it. So that's your quick update video of what's going on. Like I was saying earlier, I was waiting on some car parts. Those brakes came late yesterday. I actually got half of the order, and then the other half came late yesterday, and I couldn't install them on the truck. And then I didn't come up with this idea for this stuff, until this morning. Let me know what you think. Which idea do you think is going to work better? Or do you think I should be using this, sanding it down as best as possible with some foam and shape it? But I feel like we're going to wind up just trimming so much of this off that it's not even worth it. So that does it for this video. It's short and sweet. It's getting late in the day. I gotta get this video edited and uploaded for you guys to stay on track here. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome, once again, because you know you guys are. And I will see you guys in the next one. We post videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Leave some comments down below. Ow!
Here's what I found.
Let me know which idea you think will work better, and let's get to it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.